Hi everyone, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing of 2 mini SINBONO bags. Let's get started. So if you didn't see my prior SINBONO review, I'll link it down below for you, but this company is made out of sustainable materials such as fruit leathers. They use apple peels, fruit waste, and recycled plastics to create their handbags. And I chose 2. These are the mini Ava bags. And I did open the pink one, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. They give you a little thank you card. They give you cleaning instructions, storage instructions, and where to find them. I opened this one because it is so hefty, the box, that I was wondering, like, what is in it? Rocks or what? Comes in a beautiful little pouch. Okay, but look at this little dumpling of a bag. Look at this. I already attached the chain. I didn't know it came with one, but it was inside of the handbag. It does have a magnetic closure here. And it is, let me show you. Let me fit it on the palm of my hand. It is tiny. My hand is bigger than the bag. What can we fit in here, you say? Possibly nothing, but who cares? This is so freaking cute. And you can see the little scrunchy handle. It has a little dumpling pleated effect. It does have the SINBONO emblem. It is a vegan leather, and it has a faux suede lining in beige. And in width, it's 5 inches, a little over, and it's almost 6 inches in height. And it's a little over an inch in depth here. And the handle drop is almost 3 inches here. And you have a chain, which is 18 inches. And this is very heavy hardware. It is top quality. You can compare this to a Louis Vuitton bag. The hardware is exquisite. They do have the SINBONO name here, and it has the pretty little hook clasps. It feels so substantial. I would wear this chain as a necklace. I love the color of the hardware. They absolutely nailed it. I would wear this bag as a crossbody with the little pouch in front of my chest, like over my heart, because I just think it looks like a body, like an organ, a body part, but like much cuter. So I would wear it in that way, and then I'd accessorize this chain, wear it as a necklace, wrap it as a belt. It is just so beautiful. This little thing, I mean, people anywhere would ask you where you got this. Let's open the purple one. So this is the second bag. It is a beautiful purple pastel, and I also love the hardware. It is solid. There is nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with these bags. They are stitched beautifully. They are designed beautifully. It has the same dimensions as the first bag, and this is where they stuff the chain. Look at this. Heavy, hefty hardware, which you know I'm a sucker for. And this is what the other bag looks like. And tell me, those are not absolutely adorable. If I didn't know any better, I would just wear them both at the same time because they're just precious. I will be doing a giveaway of one of these bags. So if you want to enter, just let me know which color you prefer, and this bag could very well be yours. Please make sure that you are a US resident, and just let me know what your favorite bag to date is in the comments, and I will choose a lucky winner in a week. SINBONO was kind enough to provide a discount code for my subscribers, so please make sure you check out the link down below. I will also put their Instagram handle so you can give them a quick follow. So thank you to my friends at SINBONO for allowing me to review these gorgeous minis. I love a company that cares about the environment and that uses fruit leathers and recycled plastics to create their bags. So if you like giveaways like this, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and pop a comment down below, or perhaps do both. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do so down below. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.